we are already overwhelmed in Tigoni, and we may not be able to take any more patients, not because they have exhausted our beds, but because we cannot cope with provision of oxygen. Okay? We are now receiving 4 tons of oxygen every 12 hours. Our number today will probably reach 200. So we've actually even made a decision to open all our level 5 other hospitals and to start reducing even the normal patients. We'll be opening some of the other hospitals where the ordinary patients can go, but we're overwhelmed. And our health systems are going to be overwhelmed. So we are urging you, please, let us observe the COVID-19 protocols. Also urging the public places, including bars and restaurants, to observe the COVID protocols. Otherwise, I can assure you from tomorrow, it's not going to be easy at all.